Big story yesterday,
Yep.
today.
Much better.
Colder.
Yeah, it is getting colder, and we are seeing improving conditions for the Balloon Fiesta as we get into the closing weekend. And we've also been looking at a little bit of snow still sticking around across the northern mountains after seeing some of those showers yesterday. A look at Red River, and you'll notice as you look at those rooftops that you'll start to see the snow melting a little bit as we go through the morning hours. So a lot of the snow is going to melt off a little bit over the next 24 hours or so as we warm the temperatures up over the weekend, and we may not be looking at quite this much snow on the mountain, but a very good first effort for our first at least somewhat significant winter storm of the season. Meanwhile, in the Albuquerque metro area, lots of sunshine and the temperature on the cooler side. We're only at 52 right now. Winds much better today, only out of the northwest at 7 miles per hour. Temperatures the coldest across the northwest corner of the state. Durango still stuck in the 30s here at the noon hour. 44 in Los Alamos, 48 in Farmington, 50 in Grants. Down to the south and east, a little bit warmer, but still cooler than what we saw yesterday. 67 right now in Roswell, 71 in Tucumcari, 75 for Hobbs and Carlsbad. Currently 67 in Deming. We are looking at winds, and the winds are doing much better this afternoon than what we saw yesterday. 7-mile-per-hour winds again in the Albuquerque metro area, 15 in Santa Fe, so a little bit breezier there. Also a little bit breezier across the southwest corner. Clovis, one of the windier spots at 28 miles per hour, but overall we will continue to see those winds drop off through the upcoming weekend. And we are still dealing with a little bit of cloud cover across the far northern portions of the state, but otherwise mostly sunny skies as our storm system continues to exit the state. Lots of sunshine on the way for the upcoming weekend as we clear things out, but as that storm system exits, we will be dealing with the cooler air for today, and it will still be a little bit cooler for tomorrow, but temperatures will be rebounding overall through Saturday and Sunday as high pressure starts to build in. We continue to look at lots of sunshine, and the winds will be staying down as well as we wrap up Balloon Fiesta. So right now, Saturday and Sunday mornings, both looking fantastic for some successful balloon launches, at least as far as the weather goes. Southern Colorado, temperatures into the low to mid 50s for this afternoon. Lots of sunshine. We'll have a chance of getting a couple of showers late Sunday and into early Monday as another storm system scrapes to our north. But things will clear out rather quickly, and behind it we will cool down again with temperatures back into the upper 50s. Over the northwest, lots of sunshine, and we continue with the sunshine through the weekend as temperatures warm up. But as that next storm system passes to our north, we will cool down back into the 60s for the start of next week. Over the southwest, mostly sunny skies. Highs today into the 50s for Camado, into the 60s and 70s elsewhere. We will warm up those temperatures over the weekend back into the upper 60s for Silver City, into the low 70s for Monday before that cooler air finally makes it to the southern portion of the state, back into the mid 60s for Tuesday. Over the southeast, mostly sunny skies, highs into the 70s and 80s. We'll be warming things up a little bit for Saturday, a chance at maybe a couple of showers on Sunday as we get a little bit of moisture to come in from the south, but that will be a slim chance at a couple of showers and then clearing back out for the beginning of next week. Over the northeast, mostly sunny skies. Winds will still be a little on the high side this afternoon, gusting up to around 35 miles per hour, but through the afternoon, those winds will start to trend down and we start to see more sunshine for the weekend as well. Temperatures eventually cooling off after that storm system passes to our north. By Tuesday, we're back into the low 50s. Over the northern mountains, lots of sunshine, winds still a little on the higher side, gust up to 35 miles per hour, warmer temperatures for the weekend, and then another cool down by the middle of next week. Over the East Mountains, after a cool start this morning, we are going to warm up to the low 60s, so a little bit cooler today than what we saw yesterday. Same story for the metro, low to mid 60s this afternoon, but over the weekend we will start to warm things up. We're back into the mid 70s for Sunday before cooling down once again early next week, and we have been sharing some of those snow pictures from the north. If you want to check them out, just check me out on Twitter at KRQE John.
All right, thanks so much, John.